What's up, guys? Happy Monday. We are just making some filet mignon, sweet potato mash, broccolini. I was in a bad mood today. What else is new? Hee hee ha ha. So yeah, we have a pretty exciting week, right? I mean, kinda, not really. It's just another week, I guess. I guess every week should be exciting though. When you're in LA, living your dream. Let's see what the rest of week, wow, I'm drunk. Let's see what the rest of the week holds. Also, the whole reason why I started this vlog today is because I started making Moscow mules. Well, Bobby started, but.
No, we do that.
What?
Rob.
Oh, Rob
No, just restart the whole section.
Okay, I just can't call you Rob. It's so weird.
I don't care. I'm gonna keep interrupting you.
Okay, so, wow, it's like really hard work actually to vlog because your arm hurts. The whole reason why I even made this vlog, now I remember, is because I started making Moscow mules. Well, Rob started making them and they are so easy to make at home. Like, why was I ever making margaritas at home? I don't know. They're so easy and they're so good. So I'm gonna make one and I will show you guys how easy it is. Your minds are gonna be blown and it tastes so good.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
First things first, ice. Still out of focus.
How's it out of focus? Need my help?
No. Secondly, vodka. I like to do like a shot and a half. If you want to be fancy like me, I like to add apple cider. That's it. We'll do like one shot of that. Whoops. Squeeze a little lime in there. We're gonna take this handy dandy little mixer. Just stir that around. Lastly, ginger beer. Always stir it once more just to be really sure. Then you drink. Cheers. So good. Rob agrees. 10 out of 10. Do you like it better with the apple cider?
It's much more traditional without.
Oh my god, because we're so traditional. No, but really, this is so good. You guys know I'm a margarita girl, but today, from now on, I'm a Moscow mule girl.
Whoa.
Thanks for joining my Monday night talk. We got this shit in here cooking and it's gonna be a good one. Wow, like this is the type of night you get when you're dating Lexi Danica. You get like a whole day of just like bitching and like the moodiest girlfriend ever in the whole wide world. But then something just switches and you get filet mignon and Moscow mules. That's what I call balance, okay? All right, that's all I got for you guys. I'm literally talking to no one at this point, so. Until tomorrow, good night.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I'm gonna get flagged for music, bro.
Today is Tuesday. Trying to figure out dinner. Make a couple stops on the way there, you know what I'm saying?
Do they know what you're saying?
I don't know, babe. What do you want to do for dinner?
I don't know.
Should we go to Trader Joe's?
I feel like I live at Trader Joe's.
can get something easy, something like frozen.
I guess, yeah, sure.
Or do you have anything else in mind?
No, that's probably the best option.
Hear that? Trader Joe's best option.
I mean, it's not, okay,
My idea.
Wait. It's not the best option. It's the easiest and cheapest option.
You heard it here first.
It's not the best.
Best option,
No.
Trader Joe's,
Mm-mm.
something frozen. Out of those lips.
We don't even have our bag.
Oh.
They're gonna charge us for a bag? See, this already became a more
Let's get some
expensive option.
sponsored content. Been drinking these. Yep.
Nice.
Alright.
Alright.
Trader Joe's is the move. We'll see you guys there.
Alright, I'll get some, wait. If we're going to Trader Joe's, I'll get some pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Sounds like a great plan. Let's go.
Definitely not getting those. We'll see you guys.
We are. Rob said if we're vlogging, you had to fix his hair. You can't have messed up hair.
Jacked up hair.
Yeah. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to get a Christmas tree.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
We're not getting a Christmas tree.
We're getting a fake Christmas tree.
We're gonna go with what we decided last night.
Which is?
Really enjoy the next tree that we see, which
No.
will be in New Jersey.
Okay, well, we are going to Crate and Barrel. I've already told Bobby these plans like multiple times, but he likes to act like they're brand new and like, what?
That was a good practice. Let's redo. Take number 2. Remember to use Rob.
We're done.
Done with shopping?
No, done with your freaking attitude. Come on, Ho.
Come on, Ho. Hold on, show Doug.
There he
Wait,
is.
real quick. Oh,
Oh, he's so cute.
Let's do a quick little review of the juice. The juice. Green number 2. Lemon, apple, kale, cucumber, parsley, celery, spinach, and romaine.
It's good. It is.
No way is it good. No way.
It is. I've had worse.
No way something
I've had worse green
that
juices.
has this shade of green tastes good. Leave the honest review to me.
Okay. But I've had more
tell
green
you.
juices than you, and I can say that one's good.
Good in the grand scheme of green juice, but in the drink world, probably not. It's
good.
not awful.
See?
I'm actually surprised.
It's nice and sweet. Which probably
It is
means
pretty
it's-
sweet.
Which probably means it's pretty high in sugar, but
Definitely high in sugar. 8 out of 10.
wow, that's higher than
pretty good.
your pressed juicery ice cream.
Yeah, fuck that ice cream.
Our brains are nice and sharp while we're picking out like plates and cups, you know, and fake Christmas trees.
I'll be the sharpest tool in the shed. Catch you on the flute.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Brony ticket.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping.
So, on the flip side, we made it. Where are we going?
So we actually detoured and we're gonna go to CB2. And then, I don't know, just to see, like it's on the way. And honestly, I really like CB2 a little bit more than Crate and Barrel. I like them both, but CB2 is like more our style. Like, let's just make a little pit stop and see if we could find something cute here. We could find anything here.
If we find something cute here, does that mean we don't have to go to the next two?
Yeah. I'm gonna try CB2, see what they have. And hopefully they have something beautiful.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Level 1. I got Christopher Columbus here with me. You just touch that public button. Get away from me with that hand. Sick. Let's check out those kicks, bro. Ooh. Custom kicks. Hit her up. Ooh, we got some boards. That.
It's like one of these. It's
No.
really not bad. $149, that's the same as Target.
Dude, you know Brody's about to
No, this is
destroy
where
that.
my friends will sit when they come.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, We just walked into the store. Let's not get overzealous here. There she is. The happy shopper.
I would be a happy shopper if I didn't have the Grinch with me.
Dude, you got your cups.
Yeah.
So, we already are exceeding expectations on the shopping trip.
Chestnut roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Tell us the story of the good girl that's made out to be a bad guy.
Well, I say one thing and everybody takes it so literally. I'm just a sarcastic, dry person.
Really?
But everybody takes everything so seriously, and it's just like, it's like, why?
So serious,
Yeah.
right?
I can't deal with people that are sensitive.
On a serious note, here's a good topic. So when we went to go shopping, one of the shops were all boarded up. Want to talk about like how you felt when you saw things getting boarded up around the election? What do you think about the current state of affairs?
I think everything's great. The world's gonna be a better place now.
A better place now.
Yeah.
So you're happy with the election?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a change.
And you're happy nobody's rioting?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Where we came from, New Jersey, up in the sticks, you would have never
Boring.
seen a store boarded up before the
Never.
election.
Well, we live in a city now.
We do.
City of Angels.
All right, let's bang out another topic real quick.
Okay.
Oh,
Christmas decorations.
No. All right, yeah. When do you guys think we should put up Christmas decorations?
Tonight.
No.
Yeah.
It's not even. What is it? It's not even November like 15th.
In half a mile, turn
November
left onto
15th.
North
No, it's
Beverly
not.
Drive.
Basically.
We can do it like the day after Thanksgiving. I think that's fine, but I would not put them up like now.
I would.
You would.
Yeah, because like I'm just so like.
I let you slip like a couple trees in there though.
What do you mean?
Like you put a couple Christmas trees up, like little tiny trees.
You have 3 tiny trees. I need an actual tree.
Yeah.
Like tonight.
I don't think we're getting a tree tonight, guys. Now she's ready. Let's go. Store number 2. Oh, and they got the freshie white plate. There they are. The plates. You can't see it, but she's smiling under that
I'm
mask.
not, because I don't know if I like them.
You are.
I'm not.
That looks like a nice plate, bro.
Do you like this?
I would lick that plate clean.
Should we bring this plate over there to compare?
No. I think that wins right off the bat.
Why? Are you
Because
so
it's
certain?
just much better.
I don't know. I need to compare.
A visual comparison.
Or you can do this one.
You sure?
This one's like, this one has like a bottom. The other one
It
doesn't.
does.
I don't think I like that.
Oh, no W. On her tippy toes because she's short. They look super cool, but I think we would get tired of having that and not having like a white one or some shit.
It's so hard.
Let's do it.
Do you like that idea?
Yeah.
You don't want to commit to 4 big plates like this.
No. No. That's too much of a commitment.
Okay.
Let me wine and dine it first and then we'll see.
So we'll get 4 salad plates.
Yeah. For the salad plates because we're eating extra healthy.
Yep. More salads. Maybe having cute salad plates will convince us to eat more salads. You know?
True.
Like, ooh, like we want to use the cute plates.
I don't think it usually works like that, but
That's gorgeous. Wow. Do you want to start Christmas shopping for me?
no, let's go upstairs.
Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
We're on our way back. We did not get a Christmas tree. Are you happy?
It's not time.
It's time, but we will soon.
We may.
We will.
Or may not.
We will get a tree.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
So we made it back. Already putting this John to good use here. Got a Moscow mule. Beautiful. It's another one of our purchases today. A nice cylindrical glass. Perfect for drinking. Then we got the lovely Lex. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Shopping was great.
It was great.
We had like a little bit of a revelation that like Lexi might not always be mean, but like sometimes she is mean, you know?
I mean, I always tell them, you know, like, try finding a girlfriend that's always nice. Doesn't exist.
Probably not, but.
Okay, but also like boys are really difficult. This is what annoyed me, is that I really wanted these glasses for like a really long time, and they've been on back order online. Like, I knew I wanted them. It wasn't even like, oh, they're so cute, I think I want them. Like, no, I've been looking to order them. So we go into CB2 and I'm like, holy shit, there's the glasses right in front of my eyes. And he was like, oh yeah, I mean, and I was like, no, I'm like, you don't understand. I was trying to order these. Like, I can't believe they're here. Like, we should get them. And he's like, well, I mean, if like you really want them, like you get like, you could get like one. And I'm like, whoa.
No, I did not say one. You're
But-
so short.
What do you want me to put heels on?
Oh, excuse me.
Anyway, so we got the glasses, we got 4 of them, and we also got a bunch of other cute shit. So
Yeah.
let's show you guys.
Let's show you guys.
I'm so mad we don't have sour cream. Or like Greek yogurt.
Yeah, she's a sour cream queen.
It's LA life, huh? No more bad stuff.
Fun fact about Alexis, she loves sour cream. Okay, come on.
Anyway, so we got these glasses, right? Both of these plates. We got 4 of them. I just think they're so cute. My favorite. Ooh! Okay, so these we really liked, but we didn't want to commit to like a dinner size plate because we were like, are we gonna want that forever? I don't know. So we got salad bowl version, and these are so cute, like little tie-dye situation. Obsessed, I love it.
We love
And
it.
yeah, no Christmas tree, but
No Christmas tree, maybe next time. Wonderful little man over here. He's just great. No problems with him. Nice. Looking
so
good.
cute.
All right, so that concludes.
Look how bad, look what the light under here does.
Ew.
Yeah.
Does that conclude the vlog?
That concludes the blog and the vlog.
The vlog.
The vlog. No, this concludes the vlog.
Do something cool this
Yeah, we have to
weekend?
do something cool.
For sure.
Like get a Christmas tree.
Yep.
Or go.
This will be edited and up by tomorrow.
Alright, well, love you guys.
Love you guys.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.
To you.